test cassette, buffer, extraction tube, sterilized swab, workstation. Unscrew the lid of buffer. Add all of the buffer into the extraction tube. Sample collection. Insert the swab into the extraction tube. Rotate the swab inside the tube and stay for 1 minute. Transfer 3 drops slowly to the specimen well of the test cassette. Interpret the test results at 15 minutes. Don't read results after 20 minutes. Interpretation of results. Positive control line C and test line T appear on the membrane. Negative one colored line appears in the control region C. No line appears in the test region T. Invalid control line fails to appear.